Hi, due to the glitchiness of the recording yesterday in our class, I'm just going to redo the recording like this, and then I will send it to you so that you have the recording of basically everything that I went through. So we started with our spelling words, so I'll start with that. First word is nearby. Nearby. And remember, you can pause the video if you need to write the words out. Number 2, ourselves. Ourselves. Number 3, young. Young. Number 4, different. Different. And number 5, instant. Instant. Okay, so for the second part of our class after the spelling test, I just wanted to go over something in the research folder. You've been working on your research project, so I just wanted to check in on that. So you've done the videos, you watched the videos, you've picked your research topic, done the KWL sheet for the planning, done some researching, and after that, then you write your rough copy. When you've written your rough copy, make sure you submit it here so that I can give you feedback before you revise and make your report the best that you can. And then I wanted to go over this one last step here, is the bibliography. So when you write a report, you're using the ideas of others and putting them together in your own words. So it's important to include a bibliography with your report, so you give credit for your report to where credit is due. So crediting the people whose ideas and words you used. So there's a video here on how to make a bibliography. And then your format is down here underneath the video. So if you use a book, then you start with the author's last name. Make sure you get that comma in there. Their first name, a period, title of the book underlined, period after that. The city with a colon, make sure it's a colon, not a semicolon. The publisher, comma, and then the date that it was published, and a period. And all of that can be found on the copyright page, which is right behind the title page. Where you see that little C in a circle, that's the copyright information. And then if you used a website, then this is the format that you use. Similar, but not quite exactly the same. You got the author's last name, comma, first name, period, and then in quotation marks, the title of the article or the word that you looked up. Either one is acceptable. Put that in quotation marks with the period at the end there. Then underline the title of the website, period after the title, and then the date of publication, the date, so that's the date that it was put up on the website if it's on the website, or you can put the date that you looked it up. Either one is acceptable for that. Another period, and then these little triangular kind of quotation things with the website address inside of that. And if you need help, then please ask me, because this can be a tricky thing to do. Now there's also a website that you could use to help create your bibliography, and that's this one here. It's called BibMe. Okay, so this actually helps to write papers, make sure that you've got the correct attribution to whoever. So when you go there, you can find this, what I'm citing, if it's an article title or if it's a book, whatever, who the contributors are, the online publication info. So this is obviously for a website, right? So you can put all that in there and it will spit out. If you click on complete citation, then it'll spit out exactly what you need to write for your citation, which is also another word for bibliography. Down here, there's other options. You can annotate, so you can add notes or talk about say something about that website. Going back to the citation list. Basically, this is how you do it. Just create citation and choose your source, whether it's a website or a book. A journal is a magazine, so if you used a magazine article, then that's what you would use. So click on book, and there again, you got the book. You could search by title or ISBN, but it's unlikely to find it there. So you'd probably need to create a manual citation. Okay, and there again. So citing the whole book. Put in your contributors, the author, all that. The in-print publication information is the publisher and all of that. Okay, so just follow along. Make sure that what comes out of there after you click complete citation follows the format that I just showed you on the other page, and you will be good to go. All right, so if you have any questions about what you need to do in your research unit, make sure that you ask, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. All right, that was about all that we covered. I'm looking forward to reading your report because I know that you've got some great ideas that you'll have for that. Talk to you soon. Bye.